Let's take a look at the contents of the template zip file. Inside the template zip file, we have a folder named contracts which contains the smart contract for the DApp. Then we have the JavaScript folder which contains the JavaScript dependency for the application. For now, it's a jQuery. Then we have the style sheets which contains all the CSS for the design. Then we have 3 HTML files which contains the design. Then we have a logo and a package.json for details regarding the Node project. Let's take a look at the designs. Index.html, which is the home page for our application, and here we can use the login button to connect to the MetaMask wallet or log into the MetaMask wallet, and the search button to search for a specific certificate's details. Then we have issue certificate.html, where we can issue a new certificate by providing the course name, certificate ID, candidate name, grade, and issue date. And finally, we have view certificate.html, which shows the details of each certificate searched from the home page. Now, let's take a look at the source codes of these files. So let's open this folder in Visual Studio Code. So we have the certificate.sol, then we have index.html. So basically we have already written the functions for onClick for both login and search button. We will define these in the upcoming units. Now then, for issue certificate, we have inputs for getting all the details regarding the certificate, and we have also assigned an ID for uniquely identifying them and getting the details from those inputs. Then we have view certificate, where we have used span as a placeholder for showing this name and other details regarding the certificate, and each of them has an ID to uniquely identify them so that we can store the details retrieved from the blockchain into that particular placeholder, store or show. And finally, inside the package.json, we have a light server dependency, and why we have this is that we are using MetaMask wallet for communication with the blockchain and DApp. So the MetaMask wallet basically gives us an object, and using that object we can make this happen. And MetaMask only inject this object to a page that is served from a server. So that's why we are using a simple server, light server, which is a Node module, and that's why we are using Node in this project. So that's it. That's all the contents inside the template folder.